morning, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. And today your girl is getting prepped to go to Jamaica. Once again, still pray for Jamaica. It's still, even though it may seem like, oh, it was hot topic news for people all over the world, but it's still Jamaica's reality. So please pray for them. I'll be going to take my relief items. And thank you so much if you donated to the cause. Thank you so much if you pray towards the cause, pray for the cause. Just thank you so much for just everything. The prayers, the money, the donations, everything means a lot to me. So thank you. So yeah, y'all, I'm so appreciative for all of the donations. So today I'm going to take y'all with me. Right now I have on my workout attire, casual little pants, just because I might need to run a few errands afterwards. So I'm just going to work out like this. Dirty. But yeah, y'all, so I'm about to take y'all with us today as we get prepared. It is currently, let's see, 7:39 a.m. We've been up since 6, so I made baby boy some food and he ate, and then now he's on the potty. Breakthrough with potty training yesterday. Let me see if I think he may have lost my mic, y'all. I hope he did not throw it away. But I swear I haven't seen it since one day I seen him with it, so my mic may be lost. It gotta be in the house somewhere. But anyways, we had a breakthrough with potty training. Yesterday he said potty and he went. Meaning that he told me that he had to go. In other situations he has just like kind of like pulled on me, tugged on me, and I've kind of like picked up the cues. But yesterday he actually said potty. And he was dry. So milestone for him. Go baby. It's hot in here. The weather is just keep changing. But I got this for Jamaica when I'm there too. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much what we have on the to-do list today, is to just go and get things done. I want to go get some maintenance done as far as like my eyebrows and things and my toes. We're taking family photos when we get there. I can't wait for y'all to see that. I'm on TikTok. I cannot wait for y'all to see the photos. I came up with the whole color scheme and theme. I'm just so excited. So yeah, y'all, I'll check back in. Good morning, y'all. So I don't know how many days later this is. I've been trying to get a vlog out for y'all, but right now I am heading to church. And yeah, we're almost at church. Today is pretty alright. Sun is shining. Not too cold like it was a couple of days ago, but we're heading to church, and I just wanted to check in with y'all to let y'all know how we are doing. I know this is supposed to be a longer vlog, but I don't know where we are at in the vlog. But yeah, we're going to church, and then I packed up all of the suitcases for Jamaica, so I'll probably show y'all once we get there, because I have all of the suitcases packed, so I don't want to go back through them. So I'll just show y'all me unpacking them when we get to Jamaica. So yeah, we'll be in Jamaica soon. So yeah, we're having a Thanksgiving pre-party with my family. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. I had to cut it so abruptly. I was trying to focus on the road, but we just made it to church, so I'll see y'all after church. Yeah, and this is what I got on. Repping Delta Sigma Theta, my little sleep bun, and baby boy, he got on a little set. So okay, y'all, so just leaving church. Church was amazing. The word was amazing. Yeah, so now we are heading to his house. I got my niecey poo back there. Got baby boy back there. He's sleepy. So we're about to head home. And yeah. Good morning, y'all. It's the next day. Your girl is up packing, trying to get everything sorted out because we are leaving soon. So we are up bright and early. It is actually 7:05, but we got up at like 6:07. So we're just up. I'm packing up. You see those 2 bags over there? Those are like my little carry-on bags. Well, only one's gonna be a carry-on. But the other one's gonna go into the other thing. Hold on, y'all. I think he done got off this potty. Hold on. You got off the potty? Hmm? Go. You want to put on undies or you want to put on a diaper? You want to put on a diaper? Hold on, y'all. 1 second. My bad, y'all. I had to go and get him some stuff because, like, I told y'all he's intensely, like, I guess, like, potty training. Is probably like the 2nd week of it, and I told y'all he had a breakthrough, so he's doing really well. I cleaned up his room because I want to make sure that everything is clean, you know, for when it's time for us to leave. I just want to come back to a clean house, so I cleaned up his room yesterday. I just have some clothes I have to fold, and yeah, that's pretty much with his room. Got everything done, and I'm doing the suitcases now. But yeah, y'all, pretty much just like an update. We'll be going to Jamaica soon. I told y'all that. So yesterday we had a early, hold on, let me see. Okay, y'all, so yesterday we had a early, like, I want to say, like Thanksgiving family type of situation. Those are my clothes that I'm actually going to go take to get washed. So yeah, we had like a early Thanksgiving with the family. It was really nice, really fun. So I'm about to go take my clothes, wash them, and then go get a workout in because your girl has gained a pound. I don't know if it's like water weight or whatever, but from yesterday, I gotta go and get it in. So yeah, y'all, so that's what we doing. We ate breakfast. I had a bad choice this morning. I did cereal, did oatmeal for baby. And yeah, we're still getting over colds, so we've been like taking medicine. This is the medicine that I use when he gets like a little congested. This is the one that I use. It works like wonders because it's like more natural. So yeah, all right, y'all, I'll see y'all in a minute. Hey y'all, so unfortunately I did not get any footage at the gym. I'm telling y'all, I've just been on like autopilot, just trying to figure things out. I'm also trying to decide if I want to even put up a tree. What do y'all think? I have a 1-year-old. We will be gone for like a week, and then we may come back and then probably be here for like, I don't know, a couple of weeks and then go back to Jamaica. So we're not really going to be home as much when it comes to like the tree and certain festivities. But I was thinking the mom and me is just like still just put it up so that he can really enjoy seeing the tree up, and then when I come back start getting some things to put under the tree so that when before we leave back to Jamaica, at least he can open up some of his gifts. So I think that's what the mom and me is saying, just put it up. So I think I'm gonna order a tree today. Like I told y'all, I want to do Vlogmas, so I don't know if I'll put that in this vlog. I'm pretty sure it will not be in this vlog. It'll be in day 1 of Vlogmas vlog. I said Vlogmas vlog. So yeah, y'all, I don't really have many updates. I'm at work right now, taking a quick little break, and just want to check in with y'all because I know I didn't close out the video properly. So yes, that's what we're doing. Update. Solo mama that's parenting, about to reunite with her, you know, man, child father, other parents, and I'm looking forward to just like a break, like a little break, you know. I think it's no harm in saying that. I don't think so. Just like a little breaky break, and just like a little moment to be able to share responsibilities, especially with someone who wants to share responsibilities. His dad is like super involved, so I know this is going to be really big for him. We haven't seen his dad in 5 months. I think that's the longest we've ever went without seeing each other. Like even when we were like in a relationship, and then when we had our baby, we've never went long. Like when I had him, we went immediately to Jamaica, and then we went immediately back, and then we went immediately back, and then stayed a few months and then went back. So this is like very new for us. We're like with the storm and everything that transpired, it really pushed us back too. But you know, God does all things. Everything happens the way it's supposed to. God has the final say. So, you know, you just have to trust the plans and just understand that things happen the way they happen. You don't really have like full control. You don't have control at all, really. The only thing you can control is like your emotions and your reaction to situations. So yeah, it's going to be so nice to be able to spend time together as a family, you know, during this time. So yeah, the next video y'all will see is us there, and I'll show y'all like the care packages. We'll do like some unboxing of the care packages while I'm there. I'll show y'all how we pack it, what we do, what we use, and things that you all could use if you want to set up your own like care packages for like relief or just other things, you know, to help people during the holiday season, maybe in your community that may you know, just need extra help with certain things. So yeah, I'm gonna stop yapping. We're gonna close this video out. Thank you all so much for tuning into the channel. Thank you so much for the traction that's been on my channel. If you found me through a short, like I hope that it's digestible content and that it fits in with your journey. And yeah, I just hope it aligns. So thank you all for the constant support, and I will see y'all soon. And next video, y'all will see us in Jamaica. So love y'all tons. Comment down below if y'all are putting up a tree for y'all toddlers, or if y'all plan on putting up a tree at all. I need some motivation. All right, love y'all. Peace.